Mm. This is a short demo video of the project. So as of now, this whole thing is working. This is the basic structure of the whole project. Um, so, so, yeah. Let me show you how I have structured it. So uh, this run streamlit and run.py, they are both like separate entry points. With run.py, you can run it in the CLI, and with run Streamlit, you can run the Streamlit front end along with the backend. So, yeah. Here in the RAG part is pretty much separated. I have, uh, let me show you the DB. So, this is the DB that I've used. Uh, I first converted it into .SQL, and then converted this whole thing into the JSON file. Then I converted this and added a lot of metadata and made this .text file. Then I made this PICE index, and this is the retrieval thing that is being, retrieved while the RAG runs. So, yeah. Then let me show you one by one. So here in config.py, we are just defining simple things like which model we're going to use and what we're injecting into the environment. In the graph.py, here the whole lang graph structure lies, and the whole logic of the project is here. Uh, Memory, this is yeah. And this is the schema I'm using. For the proof of concept, I'm only using these like fives, like what do you call it, identic schemas inside the state. Uh, so this is this, and routes is basically routing the start node and the SQL needed or not this part. In the services, there are many services. I'll show you one by one. In the chat, there is chat thing. This is looping the whole project. The chatbot, it is streaming the responses. Then we have the classifier. It is classifying the need for SQL. This is the simple LLM connector. Here, Google Gemini is being connected using the environment key that is in the environment. And in the SQL, there are basically two functions. One is generating the SQL query. This is just normal prompting, and the SQL query is being generated. Um, then, I'm sorry, that this one was executing the query, and this one is generating the query. So after execution, this whole thing gets converted into like a textual response for so that I can update it into the memory of the update it into the context of the LLM, and it can produce responses. So this is pretty much the structure. And util is basically some cached in scripts that I've written. This is nothing important. Yeah. So let me run it for you. Mm. So this is the Streamlit front end. So we say hi. Yeah. The LLM is generating this response. We can see this here as well. Let's try to uh, Yes. Uh, Ones are your customers. So this is processing the response. It will generate the query, execute the query, then give the response. We can see it here in the CLI. The query has been generated. It has, so the the result shows top 10 customers who have spent most of the money along with the first names. So the first is this Helena Holly. She spent 49.62, and some other people with like high spending power. Yes, and let's verify this information. So this is the SQL query that was used to get this response. Mm, so let's execute the query. And as you can see, Helena is indeed the highest spender with the correct amount. And she is followed by this ladies. I don't know how to pronounce these names. Ladislav and Hugh. These names should be here as well. Hugh is here, and Ladislav is also here. So yes, uh, so the agentic RAG is working with the SQL data. So thank you for watching this demo.